Today is Monday, September 18th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fuel-injected electronic external fuel pump. This is one of two fuel pumps used in a 1976 Eldorado. The unit has been completely disassembled and rebuilt, as discussed in video number 1. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test with actual fuel. And I'm going to go ahead and apply power. We're going to suck it in through the primary inlet portal and out through the discharge portal that goes to the front of the engine. All right, and as we were demonstrating, when we're actually passing fuel through the electronic fuel pump, the unit is much quieter than when it's just sucking through dry air, as is one of the primary features of the original vintage rebuilt fuel pumps. They are substantially quieter than the aftermarket fuel pumps. One of the primary complaints among all Cadillac Eldorado fuel injected car owners is the whining sound of the aftermarket fuel pumps, whereas with the original fuel pumps that are rebuilt, they're substantially quieter. This is George in Florida. Today is Monday, September 18th. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. And today we are demonstrating in video number 2 the actual passage of the fuel through the vortex of the impeller of the original vintage electronic external fuel pump. Today is Monday, September 18th. Thank you very kindly.